Alright, this is Ken Rosever, and this is going to be normal distributions of raw scores 3. In the last couple videos, I've explained how to do it with the table, how to do it with the calculator. Now I'm just going to blow through the calculations real quick. If you understand why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it, then you get, and you have written down somewhere, that because of the definition of a z-score, being that z is equal to x minus mu over sigma, it's the distance that any particular value is away from the mean in terms of its standard deviations. If you understand that formula can be manipulated and changed into x equals mu plus sigma z, then any of these problems they give you on this topic are super easy if you know that formula. Let me show you. Let me clear this. So all I have to do is keep in mind I want x equal to mu plus sigma times z. So when I look here, what's mu? Mu in this problem is 120. So I'm going to type in a big 120, and I'm going to put plus. Next thing was sigma. Sigma is 19, so I'm going to type in a 19. And then I want to multiply that by z, but I don't have the z, so I'm going to hit times, and I'm going to hit z here. Okay, that little z then, that box, I'm going to have to fill in based on what they're asking for. Now, since they're asking for the top 20%, I put in 0.20. If they were asking for the bottom 20%, I would put in 0.80, because for this button, because the shading there is on the right, we always measure our percentage from the right. Okay, so I'm going to put in 0.20, and my answer is 135.99, which we'll call 136. There we go. All right, very straightforward. I'm going to hit more practice, not that I need it, and here's another one. So once again, I get my calculator. I'm going to put it over here this time, so you'll be able to see the question a little better. The formula is that x is equal to mu plus sigma times z. So mu is 6.5 in this problem. Sigma is 1.7, and I'm going to multiply that by z, but z is it the top 15 or the bottom 15? You'll have to read. A psychologist would like to conduct interviews with the 15% of the population who spend the most time watching TV. Okay, so that's the top 15%. So I hit Z, and because it's the top 15, I can just write in 15. If it was the bottom 15, I put in 0.85. That's it. So at least how many hours of daily TV watching are necessary for the person to be eligible for the interview? Round your answer to at least one decimal place. So it's 8.26 hours, so we'll call that 8.3 hours. I'm going to do one more. Last one. This one, they want the bottom 15%. Okay, I'm not even reading the problem. The mean is 10 million. The standard deviation is 1.1 million. I get the calculator out, and I can ignore the million. I don't have to put in all those zeros because my answer down here will be in millions of dollars. So I just take the 10, the 1.1, and z of 15. So I go 10 plus 1.1 times z of 0.15. There we go. And it's 11.14. We're going to round to at least one decimal place, so we'll call that 11.1. And that's it. Okay? I hope that is helpful to you. Oh, where'd I mess up? Oh, it's the bottom 15%. I even pointed that out at the beginning of the problem, but I forgot to do it. So what I should have done in the calculator, help me out, is I should have done 10 plus 1.1 times z of bottom 15% is the top 85%. Okay? You do the complement. And I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to clear that. And I'm going to put 8.9. Everyone makes mistakes, including me. All right, that's it for this and for this series of videos. Bye.